In this video, we'll be looking at how to create a post on SokoGuide. There are several ways to create a post on SokoGuide. In all of them, you need to make sure that you're logged into your SokoGuide account. The first way is by using the Create a Post button located on your profile page, also called the Marketplace. In this, you want to go to your profile page and click the green button located below your profile photo labeled Create a Post. This will display a pop-up window. Enter the text for your post, select your preferred image, and click the button labeled Post at the bottom of the pop-up. This will publish your post and place it as the first post on SokoGuide's social media feed. If another post is created after this, it will push your post down and so on. The second way is by sharing a product that's listed by a business on the platform. This could be a tour package, hotel room, a meal, etc. Start by going to that product's page. Scroll down until you find that product's social buttons. Click the social button for the platform you want to share it in. In this case, we click the Soko Share button to share this product on SokoGuide's social media interface. This will give you a pop-up. Enter your caption in the text box provided. Then click the Soko Share button at the bottom of the pop-up and you will have created a post sharing that product. The third way is by using the marketing calendar. This is only available to businesses that are listed on the platform and have upgraded to silver package and above. To use the marketing calendar, if you're on the profile page, also known as the marketplace, click the business button at the top of the page. And if you're on any other page, click the Manage Business button at the top of the page. This will take you to your business page. If you're using a mobile phone, click the three dots at the top right of the page to reveal the menu and click the Manage Business button. If you're not logged in, this menu will not be there, so start by logging in. On your business page, click the Marketing tab, then click the green button in the section labeled Select Type of Analytics. This will reveal a list of options. Select the Marketing Calendar option. The marketing calendar allows you to schedule posts to be published in the future. Click the day you want your post to be published, then click the blue Add New Post button. This will give you a pop-up. Select the time you want your post to be published, then click the Item Type drop-down list. This will allow you to decide whether you want to schedule a post for one of your tour packages or a post with an image and text. If you want to publish a post for one of your tour packages, select that option, then select the tour package you want to post. This will display the header image of that tour package, and below it you can add some caption for your post, then click the post button. If you want to create a post with an image and text, select that option instead of the tour packages option. Select your preferred image, then add the caption in the text box below it. Click the post button and your post will have been scheduled. You can always edit details of the scheduled post by clicking the edit button on the post. This has to be done before the day it gets published. Each day on the calendar will show you the number of posts scheduled to be published on that day. In case you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video.